Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a quick introduction to flows in Klaviyo. Flows are automated messages that are sent to customers based on their actions like signing up, abandoning a cart, or making a purchase. The best part is, once you set them up, they run automatically in the background, helping you engage customers and increase sales without doing everything manually. In this video, I'll show you how flows work and how you can start using them as a beginner. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is go to the left side of the screen and click the Flows option, which takes us to a new screen where we choose between Create Welcome Series and Build Your Own. We can choose Create Welcome Series for pre-built template flow. It's basically a ready-made automation designed for new subscribers. But if we choose Build Your Own, it is completely custom flow. For this video, we will click Build Your Own. After that, a new screen appears where it lets us choose flow types. There are numerous types of flows. It is also browsed by our goals. And we can also choose the channel we are sending the messages from. It might be SMS, email, both, and sometimes WhatsApp. We can also select the integration. We can also search up. For this video, I'll show you the Welcome series. After choosing a flow, read the description. It tells you the path it takes, what it can be used for, and what it can do. After that, we will select a trigger. Trigger means what initiates our flow. For this video, we will select new subscribers, meaning when we acquire a new subscriber, it will initiate or trigger this flow. After that, a new screen appears where we can customize our flow. For example, add an action by clicking the plus sign. We can see the message through our email or text or WhatsApp. We can add a data. We can also click logic and add a time delay when the message can be set, or as conditional split, where we can do something when a certain condition is met. If we want to add a time by writing a number in the blank space and make it a day or an hour or a minute, then click Save. As you can see, a time is set to send the message. This means that a Welcome Series email will be sent after 3 hours of the trigger. We can also drag and drop our conditional split. When customizing conditional split details, select the condition to be met or not, the given email for both. As you can see, we can edit this. We can also add another conditional statement if needed. Then we will click Save after finishing what we want. We can also edit the email we are sending. We can add a template to the receiver also by clicking Select Template, which takes us to a new screen where we can select a template. We can either make it a desktop or a phone too. After selecting which one we want, we will click Save, which takes us to an editing room for our template. After that, we will click Dome and take us to the first setting. After finishing all that we can make our flow live, meaning it is activated. To do that, we go to the right side of the screen where we click Review and Turn On. Then click Save. Then we are now live. Then a suggestion comes between Test Your Flow and Create a Sign-up Form. The option Test Your Flow means to check if your automation works correctly. Klaviyo sends an email as you were a real subscriber. And the option Create a Sign-up Form is about getting people into your system. But if you want to check if your flow is live or not, you go to the Flow tab again where you have first gone, and you will see it under the search bar. To sum up, flows in Klaviyo are a powerful way to automate your marketing by sending the right message at the right time based on customer actions, helping you stay consistent, save time, and increase engagement and sales. And once you understand the basics, setting them up becomes simple and extremely effective. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.